Today I'm going to show you how to use Pixlr photo editor Pixlr E step by step so you can quickly edit photos right inside your browser without needing to install heavy software. Pixlr E is a great option for beginners and creators because it gives you powerful tools for cropping, adjusting light, removing imperfections, and adding text, all in one simple workspace. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Pixlr E website. Once the editor loads, click Open Image to upload a photo from your computer. You can choose any picture from your folders that you want to edit. After the image opens, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If your image is locked, click the lock icon on the image thumbnail to unlock it. This is important because unlocking the layer allows you to make free edits to the photo. Now let's get familiar with a workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll find the main editing tools like crop, selection tools, lasso tools, and text. On the right sidebar, you'll see your layer stack, edit history, and the navigator window, which helps you zoom around the image. Across the top menu row, you'll find options like File, Edit, Image, Layer, Adjustment, and Filter. If you want more room to work, press F11 on your keyboard to switch into full screen mode and hide the browser tab bar. That gives you a cleaner editing area and makes it easier to focus on your image. Now let's start with the core editing steps. If you want to crop your image, click the Crop tool on the left toolbar. You can also use the shortcut C. Once the crop box appears, drag the corner handles to frame the part of the image you want to keep. When you're happy with the crop, press Enter to apply it. Cropping is one of the fastest ways to improve composition and remove unwanted edges from your photo. Next, if you want to change the size of the entire image, go to the top menu and click Image, then choose Image Size. A window will appear where you can type in your desired pixel dimensions. Enter the width and height you want, then click Apply. This is useful when you need a specific image size for social media, thumbnails, websites, or online uploads. After that, you can improve the look of your photo by adjusting the lighting. Click Adjustment in the top menu, then choose Brightness and Contrast. From here, you can move the sliders to make the image brighter, darker, sharper, or more balanced. Small changes usually work best, so take your time and watch how the photo changes as you adjust the values. This is a simple way to make dull photos look much more polished. If your image has small blemishes, spots, or flaws, Pixlr E also gives you a Heal tool. Click the Heal tool on the left side or use the shortcut H, then click directly on the area you want to fix. The tool blends the blemish into the surrounding area to help clean up the image naturally. This is especially helpful for portraits, product shots, or any photo where you want a cleaner finish. Now let's add text. Click the Type tool on the left toolbar, or press T on your keyboard. Then click anywhere on the canvas and start typing your text. You can change the font, size, style, and other text settings using the options in the top menu. This is perfect if you want to add a title, label, caption, or creative design element to your image. You can also reposition the text by dragging it to the right spot on the canvas. Once your edits are done, it's time to export your file. Click File in the top left corner. Then click Save or press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Pixlr will give you different file format options depending on what you need. If you want to keep all your layers and continue editing later, choose PXZ. If you want a flat image that is ready to upload online, choose JPG or PNG. After that, click Save As to download the finished image directly into your computer's default downloads folder. And that's it. You now know how to use Pixlr photo editor Pixlr E from start to finish. You've learned how to open an image, unlock the layer, navigate the workspace, crop, resize, adjust lighting, remove flaws, add text, and export your final design. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.